Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are doing a brow tutorial. I am going to be using a brow pencil, a brow gel, and my foundation to define the brows. So I am currently cleaning my brows, prepping it to brush. I'm going to brush out my brows to ensure I outline it well. So I'm going to go in with my pencil. I'm sorry for my voice, guys. I'm down with cold and this weather is not favorable for me at all because look at my face. So I am outlining the brows with a pencil. I got this pencil from a makeup store and it cost just 200 naira, and the pencil is so wonderful. I am outlining my brows right now. I am following the natural lines of my brow. I'm not a fan of shaping my brows. I'm really not a fan. So I'm going to outline the top too using the same pencil and outline to my desired length and shape. Just trace your natural brow. I'm going to go in and fill now. I will fill in to ensure it is darkened a bit. It gives that full brow effect. Oh my god, how I love a full brow. I love my brow so full. I'm going to comb it out now. I'll be combing it out with my mascara one that comes with the Bobbi brown brush. I'll comb it out. Guys, happy new year. It's 2020 and this is my first video in 2020. Happy new year. Wishing you guys more prosperous years. So I am going in again to fill it in because it seems the front of my brow were too light, so I filled it in and I combed it out again to give it that natural effect, to give it that natural look, like that full hair look. Now because it's not clean, it looks untidy, I'm going to go in with my brush and a foundation, and my foundation to highlight. I am using my foundation to highlight because I want to make this tutorial as simple and cheap as possible. I can actually make use of a concealer too to highlight, but if you, as beginners, if you try and use a concealer, you might not blend in well with your skin. So try and make use of a foundation. A foundation will make it so easy to blend out for you. So I'm using my foundation to blend. I am tracing it out the same way we outlined using a pencil. So just make sure your hand is steady and trace out any harsh lines. Trace it out, clean all dark edges, all harsh lines. Just trace it out and wipe it clean. It makes your brow well defined and neat. Harmattan season is seriously, we battle. So I am going up again. I like my brows well defined, guys, and I do not shape my brows. So I'm going up again with the same foundation and just one brush, a flat brush, tracing it out. You can make use of your angle brush if you have an angle brush. So I'm tracing it out the top, but using a flat brush makes you outline easily and blend as well at the same time. So I'm tracing the top out too. You see, I'm not going beyond where my brow hair reached, so I am going to trace where my brow hair is exactly. Your brow shouldn't be longer than your eyes, so that was what I actually did there. Your brow should be longer than your eyes. So I am combing it now and setting it in place with my eyebrow gel. It makes your brow last longer, but for beginners it's actually not necessary. So I'm going back in again with a blending brush. I'm trying to blend it well into my skin. A clean brush. I cleaned mistakenly while blending into my skin, so I'm going back in with my pencil to give it the length that I desire. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your holidays, and 2020 is going to be favorable for every one of us. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.